in this video, we are going to show you how to reply to a customer in Zendesk. If a customer created a ticket and you want to reply in Zendesk, all you need to do is open that customer ticket. As you can see here, we have that specific instance. And all you need to do is click on public reply here, right? And just type in your reply to that customer. Right. So if they are asking for a specific issue or help for a problem, all you need to do is go through your processes, your SOPs, and help them and reply to them via that. And then after that, just send this ticket, right? And just send this message to them so that they could reply to you back. Or if that is pretty much what the fix is, then they probably won't be able to reply to you back because they probably would have solved that. If not, they're going to be going back and forth with you until the issue is resolved. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next